Hi, welcome to Clara Concept Studio.
Have you ever wanted to start DSA, but the moment you did, it felt complicated? Maybe you understood the idea, but got stuck at arrays, or somewhere after that. In this video, we're not going to rush. We're not going to memorize. We're going to break it down so you don't just understand what DSA is, but how it actually works. Before we explain anything, let's look at a simple situation. Watch closely. The details matter. At first glance, everything looks the same. Same room, same boxes, same task. This is Lena. She doesn't rush to act. She looks first. And this is Rex. Fast, confident. He believes movement is progress. They're facing the exact same problem. No extra information, no advantage. What happens next won't depend on intelligence. It won't depend on speed. It will depend on one simple thing: how everything is arranged before a single decision is made. So now we know the names, Rex and Lena, and we also know the task. They both have to find the box. Rex decides to go first. He doesn't think much about the setup. He just believes that if he moves fast, he'll find it quickly. Rex starts opening boxes. He opens one box, it's empty, so he tosses it aside. He opens another box, empty again. That one goes aside too. Rex keeps moving. His actions are quick. There's no order, no pattern. Boxes start piling up. Slowly, the space around him gets messy. Some boxes fall over. Some are open, some are closed. There's no way to tell what he's already checked and what he hasn't. Rex keeps working. He's putting in effort, but the progress isn't clear. Rex chose speed without structure.
Now let's look at what Lena's doing at the same time. Unlike Rex, she doesn't start opening boxes immediately. She stops. She looks around the room first. Lena walks slowly between the boxes. She notices the markings on them, the way they're scattered, how some are closer together and some are far apart. Lena starts moving boxes. She begins grouping them. Boxes with similar marks go into one place. Others go somewhere else. Rows start forming. She isn't searching yet. She's preparing. Lena steps back for a moment. Now the room around her looks different. It's not random anymore. They're clear sections. She opens one box from one group. She opens one. It's empty. She places it back neatly, but this time she keeps it in its place. She opens another nearby, then another. Each one is close to the previous. She moves steadily. Her pace is slower than Rex's, but every move is connected to the last. Lena chose organization before speed.
So now we have two people in the same room, with the same boxes, trying to solve the same problem. But the rooms don't look the same anymore. On Rex's side, boxes are scattered everywhere. Some are open. Some are closed. There's no clear way to tell what's already been checked. On Lena's side, the boxes are lined up, grouped, easy to follow. Rex is still moving fast, but he keeps returning to places he's already been. Lena moves slower, but every step is deliberate. She always knows where she is and where she hasn't looked yet. They didn't change the problem. They didn't change the goal. They changed the arrangement, and that changed everything. Let's pause here. Nothing about the problem changed. Only the way they handled the boxes did. Rex used energy. Lena used structure. Both were trying to reach the same result. Only one made the path clearer. What you just saw is the entire idea behind data structures and algorithms. Data structures are how information is arranged. Algorithms are the decisions made on top of that arrangement. They don't change the question. They change how efficiently you get to the answer. When companies test DSA, they aren't checking how many lines of code you can write. They're checking how you organize a problem, how you choose your next move, and whether your approach still works when the problem becomes bigger. Anyone can open a few boxes, but when there are thousands, only structure keeps you from getting lost. That's why DSA exists, not to confuse you, but to give your thinking a shape.
If this video made things clearer, if at any point you thought, oh, okay, that makes sense now,
That's your sign to like this video. Subscribe if you want concepts explained without panic, without pressure.
and without assuming you already know everything. And if you're confused, curious, or just want a topic explained, use the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.